Welcome to the trade table. Today we are going to discuss how long does it take to install a mini split, pre-installation, planning and preparation. Before starting the installation process, it's crucial to plan and prepare to ensure the longevity and efficiency of your mini split system. This step includes having all the necessary tools and materials, measuring your room, checking local regulations, and consulting with a professional HVAC technician if needed. Installation of the outdoor unit. The second step of installing a mini split is the outdoor equipment installation. Proper positioning, ground preparation, and secure mounting of the outdoor unit are essential for optimal airflow and safe operation. Installing the indoor wall unit. The third step involves installing the indoor wall unit, which takes the longest time. You need to ensure that the unit is installed in a suitable place, drill a hole for electrical wires, install a condensate drain line, attach and secure the wall bracket, and mount and attach the indoor unit while checking for leaks. Connecting the refrigerant lines. To connect the refrigerant lines is a crucial aspect of the installation process that requires attention to detail. If the lines are poorly connected, the efficiency of the mini split system can be compromised, leading to higher energy costs. The connection process should take about 3 hours, longer if installing additional indoor units. Connecting the drain line. The drain line is a pipe that collects condensation from the indoor unit and discharges it outdoors. The installation process requires measuring and cutting the piping, attaching an elbow joint, connecting the pipe to the indoor and outdoor units, and sealing all connections with silicone caulk. Testing for leaks is crucial to ensure the drain line functions correctly. Testing, sealing, and insulating the system. After connecting the indoor and outdoor units, testing the system's electrical wiring and refrigerant lines is necessary. Once everything is connected, it's essential to test the system with a multimeter to ensure it's in proper working order. Sealing and insulating your ducts and piping with non-flammable insulation materials will help your mini split system run more efficiently and reduce noise levels. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you're looking to buy a mini split, be sure to check out thetradetable.com, the best mini split resource online. Have a great rest of your day.